Dun, 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 dun. Hey guys, it's me. So today's thing is when I'm bored. So when I'm bored, I usually play on my iPad. When I'm really, really bored, I play with my iPad. I play Stargirl, Pokemon. I talk to Simi. Sometimes I use Facebook and Instagram. Well, I edit that's my Instagram. Yeah, I'm also well, I'm sort of new in here in Instagram, so I don't get many, followers yet. And I have 80 following, 80. No, not that. So I'm not actually so two. When I'm bored, I usually sleep or I get some bored and I'm number three. And when I get some chocolate in that chocolate fridge, keep a small fridge and keep all the chocolate. Yeah, yeah. No. I love kisses. I mean kisses. Hershey's. Number four. Number four. When I'm bored, I go to the upstairs and play along. I'm back. So number five, the last one. When I'm bored, I usually use the computer. So thanks for watching. Those are my fun reasons when I get bored. So thanks for watching. Bye.